Can you hear this sound? How about this? These are called CCB beads or noiseless ghungroos, but the lovely sound that it makes, it feels music to my ears. So as you see, this is the silver oxidized stud, this is one small jhumki or one connector kind, and to that I have attached some beads here and made this lovely pair of silver oxidized earrings which you can wear, ideal for your daily outfit, for your casual wear. You can wear it on your kurtis, on your Indo-Western, also on saris. So I have tried to make a small tutorial on how to make these lovely pair of earrings. I hope you like it. So let's get started. I have these silver jhumki type, half jhumki, semicircle jhumki, and I have these studs. So I thought let's make a combination of this and see how it looks. So for this, as you see, I have this one connector. So this is the front part and this is the back part of it, and this is the stud. So stud is like that and this is the back part. And since these two, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this with a jump ring. Let's see what we need for it. We'll need some jump rings, some these ghungroos. The tools will be needed, so I will be using a flat nose plier and I'll be using a bend nose plier. By using this bent nose plier, I found it very easy to fix the ghungroos. I'll show you how I have fixed it and how I have made this. I will take one jump ring. See, there's a slight opening which you can see. I'll put the jump ring here in the flat nose plier with the bent nose plier, with either this side or this side, any side you can use. So you can use this, and with this it just acts as a grip. It's too easy to open. I'll open the jump ring, I'll put the CCB bead inside that and I will put it here, and I will turn around because this gives me a proper grip, that's why, and then I will close it. See, it's so easy to fix it. Similarly, I'll go on doing the rest of the jump rings. So I'll show you what I was doing earlier. Earlier I was using the flat nose plier. The jump ring in one hand, I will open the flat nose plier, which will require little more strength. Then I'll put this here, put the ghungroo, and then I will go and put it inside this hole. Okay, and then I will start to fix it. Okay, so now as you can see, I have to give more pressure, I have to hold this, I have to maintain balance to hold this, and it takes a lot of time for me to fix this. So see, fixing a single with this is okay, but when you know you have to do a lot of things, then I found that it is difficult and my fingers were getting strained. So I found this bent nose plier a very useful tool in doing this. So I am using it, and believe me guys, it makes my job very easy and it does not hurt me also much. So I would like to tell you about myself. I am Bhakti. I am from Bangalore. My brand name is Fabriety and I make customized handmade jewelry like these oxidized jewelry, fabric jewelry. Fabric jewelry is my niche. So guys, you can like, subscribe to my channel and share my work with your friends and family. Also comment below and tell me how did you find this jewelry making. Was this tip useful of using a bent nose plier? Do you have any other useful tip so which makes connecting these rings easier? I would really like to know about it. Yeah, see, so this is done now. So now let's attach the stud to it. So now what I actually do so that the stud gets attached properly. I will open the jump ring. I'll first put the jump ring here. I'll take the stud, since we want the front part here and not this, otherwise if you go and do like that, it will be the back part. So you take the front part here, put it inside this, bend it like that, and then attach the jump ring. So now what has happened is you have got a proper connection. So this is how it looks. So let me know in the comments, how did you find the video? If you are stuck in fixing these kind of things, or you find it difficult, or you don't know how to use which tools to use so that life becomes easy, hence I have created a video. I hope you like it. I hope you like the tutorial. If you would like to place an order, or if you have any kind of inquiry regarding handmade jewelry, please WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp number is mentioned below. Please follow me on my Instagram channel too. I would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss on these beautiful jewelry updates. Thank you for watching.